Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Want to Step. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to send message with gift in Facebook Messenger. Keep watching the video till the end without skipping, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. The gift message in Facebook Messenger is itself an effect. You can apply this to your messages before sending. Tap open your Facebook Messenger application and sign into your account if necessary. Once you're in, head over to the conversation that you would like to send a gift message on. This will take you to the conversation screen with a particular contact. Now, go to the text field and type in your message. As soon as you do that, tap on the search button right next to the text field. Once you do that, you'll be able to see lots of effects at the top. There are other effects as well, which you can use. It includes confetti that pops out after a message has been sent and a fire flaming messenger effect. In order to send a gift as your message, go and select the gift option. You can see it right here. Give it a tap and your message will be sent as a gift to one of your recipients. And that is it. The gift wrapped message is instantly sent as soon as you tap the gift effect. The recipient will be able to see the message by tapping to unwrap the gift. Pretty fun, isn't it? I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did in any way, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Feel free to comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial episodes. Goodbye till then.